A few examples on adding unlike fractions. So our first example would be 1 over 3 plus 2 over 9. Now we have adding unlike fractions. That's basically telling us the denominators are not the same because they're unlike. So 3 and 9, we got to find the common denominator between the two numbers. So 3 and 9. So we do it this way. 3 goes into 1. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9, and as you can see, the common denominator between the 3 and the 9 would be 9. So our new denominators would be 9. 9 goes into 9 1 times, and 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is, 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 1 times 3 is 3. So we keep the denominators the same. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So our final answer would be 5 over 9. Okay, let's do another example. Let's say we have 1 over 10 plus 3 over 4. Of course, we have unlike denominators, so we got to find the common denominator between the 10 and the 4. So 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 4 times 1 is 1, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So between the common denominator between the 10 and the 4 would be 20, as you can see. So our new denominators would be 20. So 4 goes into 20 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 10 goes into 20 2 times, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we keep the denominators the same. It's 20. So we just add 15 plus 2, which gives us 17. So our final answer would be 17 over 20. So this is the final answer for this one. Let's do another example. Let's say we have 3 fractions. So we have 5 over 12 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. So we got to find the only difference between the other problems is this one has 3 fractions, and we got to find the common denominator between the 12, the 6, and the 3. So we got to find the common denominator. So 12, let me write it over here. 12 times 1 is 12. For 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. For 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12. And as you can see, the common denominator between the 3 numbers is 12. So our new denominator would be 12. So 12 times 1 is 12, and 5 times 1 is 5. 6 goes into 12 2 times, and 1 times 2 is 2. 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 1 is 4. So we add up. We keep the denominators the same to 12. And we just basically add 5 plus 2 is 7. Plus the 4 would be 11. So our final answer to this would be 11 over 12. 11 over 12 will be our final answer. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.